This is my 2006 Holden VZ Commodore. I bought this car back in 2018 with 68,000 Ks on the clock, and just as of filming this I have just over 86,000, which is very low for a 2006 car. This car is a 4-speed auto, has partial leather seats and had a 6 CD changer in the dash before I changed it out in the video. If you want to see more videos on this car, I have a couple others on my channel. A how-to guide on installing a head unit into a Holden VY, VZ or Monaro, a how to install an amplifier into any car, and how to install gauges into any car. All these videos are linked in the description. This old VZ has some battle scars on it from over the years, and you may even notice this extremely bad gutter rash that the previous owner somehow got on the wheel. There's also a little bit of wheel rubber at the front panel of this, and this is from when I blew a tyre on the highway. What a terrific way to end the day. Nice blown tyre. The car came with these 17-inch stock alloy wheels, which don't actually look that bad, but after a few years of driving with them I decided to change to these 18-inch speedy hammer wheels, which transforms the look of the whole car. A few mods have been done to this car, such as an amplifier, which I did take out, a new head unit with working steering controls, and an oil pressure and water temperature gauge, and you can find a step-by-step tutorial on all these mods on my YouTube channel. This car is my daily driver, which mostly drives me to work, but as I live on a dirt road it gets really dirty really quickly, so time for a quick clean. I know the VZ Commodores aren't the most liked Commodore due to the Alloy-Tech engine, and they are a bit unreliable with their timing chain faults. However, this doesn't bother me that much, and I'm hoping this car will last me a long time. That was just a quick look over at the car I'm currently working on, which I've been posting a few videos lately. However, this isn't the only car I work on. I also have a 1981 Rover SD1, which I've been slowly restoring, and if you want to see some videos on that, there is a place in the description. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it and want to support me, the best way is to like the video and share with a friend. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.